I want to be a nurse because I find great value in being able to be there for people in their worst moments, and I want to be able to be there for them for that whole experience. I chose Avila's accelerated BSN program for a variety of reasons. It was a hybrid program, and because it is a 16-month, not a 24-month.
Cost-wise, it's a lot less than where I was initially planning to go to in California, and just the accessibility of the program, having it online, is really nice.
Online education is important in that it allows more flexibility for the non-traditional student. Our program is structured so that all basic skills are learned in the first semester, and then each semester after that it increases in complexity.
I think Avila is special because there's a very nice student-to-staff ratio, and you can always get the attention that you need if you're not understanding something.
They are also nurses, so they are able to answer any and all questions that we might have. They really do care about you, and they want to see you succeed.
I believe our BSN program helps with a student's growth by building off each semester. We won't let a student progress semester to semester until they feel comfortable in the topics and the curriculum that has already been taught. We also really focus on a nursing student's professional identity. We want to teach students what professionalism is, what does a professional nurse look like, and how a student nurse professionally portrays themselves.
If you're considering joining the program and you are ready to start your career in healthcare, I say do it. I think that 16 months is no time to be able to have a degree in nursing and be able to start your healthcare career.
If you're an internally motivated person who really wants your bachelor's, I would most definitely recommend Avila.
I think it's exciting to help our future nurses. I love going to work in the hospital setting and seeing past students and seeing what wonderful nurses they have become. And so I know that these students that we're teaching right now can have that same impact.